are national PDP backup, and we are like a watchdog. We have been watching the National Working Committee for so many years, and in this their first time, we are not happy with the way they are doing things, and the party have suffered so much in their own tenure. Many people have worked with APC openly. Many people have decamped to APC openly. Many of our leaders that have benefited for so many years in this party have decamped to APC openly, and they have done a lot of damage to this party. And what we are saying, if somebody have decamped to another party, if somebody is part of NWC and part of the leadership of this party, and they have openly, nationwide openly decamped to another party, what are they still doing in PDP? People like Wike, people like SYMFONI, people like Autumn, people like so many of them. And what Wike is doing now in the party is in APC, and he's still claiming nothing can happen to him. Nobody can remove him from PDP. Somebody who has gone, somebody who spoiled our election, somebody who spoiled our chances of being the elected president candidate of this country, and is boastfully going around and telling us nothing can happen, and telling us we cannot do anything, and telling us this party doesn't mean anything, and they are planning. We are having mini convention coming up. We are not going to accept it anymore. If they cannot, what we are telling them, they are not capable. What we are telling them is that they are one leg out and one leg in. It's either they stay in or they go out. And what we are telling them right now is that we want them out. All the National Working Committee, they are irresponsible. Yes. They are not a leader. We have suffered, millions of us in this party, especially people like us that are mobilizers. Yes. We have suffered. We prepare for this 2023 election, thinking we have gotten it. And at the end of the day, somebody using his power as a former governor bought all the people, do all the result that we did not achieve. They write the result because it's a governor, and it spoiled our opportunity to become the president of this nation. We are not going to allow this any longer, and that is why we are here. This National Working Committee must leave now.
Aside this issue about some people being involved in anti-party
Yes.
or what have you,
Yes.
what other reasons why do you want the National Working Committee to resign?
They have to resign because they are not capable. Somebody cannot leave your party boastfully telling everybody in the world that they are not capable. What Wike is doing all around shows they are not capable.
Aside Wike, what are the other reasons?
The other reason is because we know they themselves are one leg out, one leg in, and we don't want them anymore. They have to leave. Yes, they have been bought over. And everybody in the world has seen it, that they have been bought over. For example, somebody went and do an election in Imo State as a governorship candidate. Even at the time, immediately after the primary election, he should have resigned. He did not resign. He went to that election, he failed, and he came back. We were here when he came back to say he wants to resume. Resume where? You have failed your opportunity. You have failed everything we have given to you as a party, and then you failed that, and you are coming back again to join the failures.
You are calling for the
all of them must leave. Yes.
But it is their decision to choose to resign or not. If
No.
they choose not to obey your call,
Yes.
what will you do?
Actually, we have gone to court already to take injunction against them and to make sure they go out legally. That injunction will be placed on this building by tomorrow, by the grace of God. And what we are saying, the constitution of the party covers them for social tenure. And that same constitution has a condition. Unless you are fully a member of PDP, that is when that constitution can cover them. This time the constitution is null and void. It cannot work. It cannot work on their case because they are one leg out, one leg in. They are even supporting, encouraging the people that have left. They are not even making any press release. They are not even making any effort for the whole world to know that they are not supporting them. They are even that former secretary to come after that election that we thought the party is going to get. And he failed in that election, and he has that confidence because he has people like himself in here as National Working Committee. He came back and said he wants to take back his position. Which position?
Okay, my name is Annie Gifts. Actually, we want them to resign. Reason number one is that they have poor leadership, performance. And also, they have poor communication issues in the parties. And also they have strategic failure during the elections. And also they have internal conflict control in the party. We have, like, inside the party, we have all these leaders, all of them, they have fraction. And what is your work as National Working Committee is to call them and put them in order. Instead, they are causing more conflicts in the party. And that is the reason why we say they must resign. They are not capable. They are irresponsibility. They've worked against the Constitution by not sacking Wike, who is doing anti-party, who is playing anti-party. Then we have G-5, and all the G-5, some of them work with Labour Party, some of them work with PDP, and they are still in this party. They refuse to suspend them. So what are we keeping them for? It's not just Wike, because Wike brought all of them. And as a set of Wike, they are a set of anti-party. We don't want them. We don't need them. They are not ready to bring the party forward. The party is in a mess. The party is confused. Every state, everywhere you go in the state, you will see this one said, I'm a Labour Party. When you call them, they will say, I'm in Labour. When you come here, they will say, I'm in APC. When they will come here, they will say, I'm in PDP. Why? And we have a leader called National Working Committee, and they are doing nothing about it. Because according to an adage, they said, as a leader, if you fail to lead the people that you are leading, definitely there is a cockroach in the cupboard. It's a failure. They are all failures. So what are we bringing them for? What are we using? What are they waiting for? They should resign, please. They should resign.
All right, thank you.
Reverend Olushola Salah, one of the PDP media. We have worked for these parties for many years, and we are totally disappointed. This is not the kind of leadership we want in this national office. They have to go. They must go. Thank you very much.